Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing a koala and he's going to say nope. The first step we're going to take is to draw the top of the koala's head. It's just a big curved line like this. Now we're going to draw his ear. Let's go up from this side and over. Now we're going to make little fluffy marks by drawing a line down like this. And then we're going to go up. Let's draw another line down. And then from this point, we're going to go up this way, draw a line down again. And then we're going to curve around, curve, and stop right there. Looks good. Now let's finish off the face by starting at the ear and then going down a bit until you get to the same spot as your first line. So kind of make it match a little bit. Now from there, we're going to draw the body. Let's start at the ear and then draw a big curve down like this and go past that first line that you made and stop. Looks good. Now we're going to create the little toes. Here's one. And then let's put another one right here, and one more little one that goes up. And you can make it stop right about here. Perfect. Now let's create another leg. Our other leg is going to start right about here and go down like this. Then we're going to make the little toes. Here's one, here's two, and then finally 3. Let's go up a bit and then stop kind of where your face is. Now to close off the face, let's put a little curved line that goes all the way across like this, and then we're going to close it up. Looks kind of odd because our letters are going to go through the face here. So now that we have that, let's do our other ear. The other ear is going to start right here, go around, perfect, go in, from that point, go out like this, in again, and then down one more time, up, and then let's stop right about here so that we have some room for our N if we need to. So I'm going to stop right there. Let's create some detail inside of the ear. So I'm going to start by making these little fluffy marks here, and they're just big curves like waves that go across like this. And then from those waves, let's make a big circle. Perfect. On the other side, it's going to be a big circle that connects to the face. Now the face, he's going to be sleeping. Nope, he says. So let's create a big nose. It's just a big curved line like this. Make it curve down like that. And then kind of create that same line shape as the other side and in. Let's make him tired. Draw a curved line for an eye, another curved line for the other eye. Now let's draw the word nope. We're going to start on the O actually, because the O is kind of in the middle. So I'm going to start kind of where the nose is and then make a curved line that goes around, and then in. I'm going to make the center of the O, it's just a little circle like this. Now, since I have room here, I can create a little line that kind of makes it look like it's going past the hand. Now, let's start with the P. The P, I'm just going to start from this line and create a line that goes across like that. And then we're going to make the P by going down past the fingers, go down a bit, over and up. Now go around like this, and then with your P, make a straight line and then a curve around. I'm going to connect this line back up since I didn't need it, and then I'm going to make a little curve line here so it looks like a P. Now for the E, we're going to make a line that goes out like this. We're going to kind of come down about where that P line is at the bottom and then go out. We're going to make our E go down and then in. We're going to make that E go down again, out, and we're kind of making these little block patterns. One more time for this block pattern and stop. Okay, let's do the N. The N is going to start over here where the O is. So create your N by making it touch that O and go down, kind of stopping where that P is. Now go across like that from this top line, go across again. We're going to go down and then back up like that. This line is going to go like that at an angle. We're going to go straight down and then from the top go across a line that goes all the way down straight and then close it up at the bottom with a line. Now I have room here for the ear that I didn't use, so you can close it up. Perfect. Now let's color it in. This koala is not having it today. He's like, nope. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.